Question number 5. For the female, here we go. Integrity means doing the right thing even when no one is watching. Paano mo ipinapakita ang integrity sa araw-araw? You have 45 seconds. Timer starts now.
Thank you so much for that question. Well, integrity is actually a very, very simple word. Yet it upholds a very much valuable meaning to it. Sa araw-araw natin na ginagawa, hindi naman siguro mahirap na gawin natin yung tama kahit na walang taong nakatingin. Because it upholds all the honesty na kaya natin ibigay, and that's the reputation that we give to other people. And kapag ikaw ay isang trustworthy na tao, everything else will follow. And if you have the heart to do what is right without no one else is looking, you have the heart for that thing, well, everything else follows and you'll become a successful person.